Hello, everyone. This is check understanding number 3. Here we go. So, guys, before I begin with this, I would just like to recall what we did in check understanding number 2. We're in instead of just multiplying both sides, all right, or instead of multiplying both sides right away by a binomial or two binomials, it is always nice to factor out the denominator to figure out maybe there is a particular binomial that you will see, all right? And this is what I mean. So I will factor this out. That would be negative 10 over x minus 7, x minus 5, right? Okay, equals x over x minus 5. Now, guys, look, isn't it nice? Because if we multiply both sides by this denominator, then this one would cancel out, right? But take a look. So I'll move this a little bit, all right, so that I have space. So it becomes negative 10 over x minus 7 times x minus 5, okay, equals x over x minus 5. So I will multiply both sides by this one, x minus 7, x minus 5, x minus 7, x minus 5. And we can begin to cancel out. Of course, since this and this are the same, this and this are the same, that just gives you negative 10 here. Now, on the other side, this x minus 5 cancels out with this. So really what you're going to have left is x times x minus 7. So that would be negative 10 equals x squared minus 7x. And gathering everything on one side, 0 equals x squared minus 7x plus 10. Or 0 equals x minus 5, x minus 2. Or 0 equals x minus 5, and 0 equals x minus 2. And of course, x is equal to 5, and x is equal to 2. All right, so those are the two answers that we have. So once again, check if it works. All right, so let's take a look. Remember, the values we have are 2 and 5. All right, let's look at the question again. Oh, if x is 2, all right, this is okay. I think this is okay. But x equals 5 is not okay for this one, right? Okay. Therefore, the only answer is x is equal to 2. This is extraneous. Okay? All right, because it's a non-permissible value. Next one, B. Oh, looks like a lot. Now guys, take it easy. Let's take a look at how we factor this. The question is, what would be this factor? So I think that would be x plus 6 times x plus 4, right? Hey, wait a minute. Now guys, isn't it that this, which has these factors, is actually composed of this denominator and this denominator? What I'm saying is, if we multiply the whole equation by these two, maybe it will look nicer, all right? So look at what I'm going to do. So I'm going to write it over here. I'm rewriting the question. Okay, x plus 1 over x plus 6 plus x minus 2 over x plus 4 equals 11x plus 32 over x squared plus 10x plus 24. But we already saw that this is what it is, right? So I will multiply both sides by this x plus 6 times x plus 4. And hopefully we can get rid of the denominators. X plus 6 x plus 4. Okay. So as we multiply these two binomials by this first expression, you will see that the x plus 6 cancels out with this one. All right. Now, guys, careful here. So when you cancel this and this, it still leaves x plus 4 being multiplied by x plus 1. So remember that. So that means x plus 4 is still multiplied by x plus 1. Yeah? Okay. But you still have to do this, right? So as you multiply these two factors by this because of the distributive property, okay? Remember what happened when I got this is that these two were multiplied by this. But now I'm going to multiply these two by this. So in that sense, you will sort of think that, oh, that x plus 4 cancels out with this one. Therefore, the x plus 6 is multiplied by x minus 2. That's basically what it is that we're going to do. So we are left with x plus 6 times x minus 2. Okay. Well, on the right side of the equal sign, obviously, the denominators would cancel out, right? With the two binomials because they're the same, right? So we have 11x plus 32 only here. All right. So let's expand this. FOIL x squared plus 4x plus 1x plus 5x plus 4. Let's expand this. X squared plus 6x minus 2x becomes 4x minus 12 equals 11x plus 32. Let's simplify it to terms. X and x go together. That's 2x squared. 5x and 4x go together. 9x. 4 and negative 12 go together. That's minus 8 equals 11x plus 32. Gathering everything on one side, 2x squared remains the same. This 11x goes to the left. It becomes negative 11x plus 9x becomes negative 2x. 32 becomes negative 32 as it moves to the left. It becomes negative 8 minus 32 becomes negative 40. And I think everything can be divided by 2. So if we divide everything by 2, to simplify it, x squared minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. I think that's factorable. That would be x minus 5. X plus 4 is equal to 0. Meaning x minus 5 equals 0 is one solution, and x plus 4 equals 0 is another solution, or x is 5, and x is equal to negative 4. All right. Now, once again, we check if both works. So let's take a look. Remember, the two values are negative 5 or negative 4 and 5. All right. Let's check the beginning. Can we have a negative 4? No, because this one would become a 0. So negative 4 doesn't work. Can we have a 5 if we plug it in here and here? That's okay. So, oops. Only x equals 5 is a solution because x is because x equals negative 4 is a non-permissible value. All right. So I hope that was clear. And do the practice question I will give you. Thanks for watching. Bye.